Now in this video, I'll introduce you a sports earphones which has a great battery life and also a lifetime warranty, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching adamlobotv. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release high quality tech videos every single week, sometimes twice a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends as usual. Now first of all, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Bliiq for sending out this wireless earphones. Now let's start with the unboxing. Now the unboxing process of the Bliiq Hummingbird earphones definitely had a premium feel to it, where the box comes with a bright red color, the Bliiq logo on top, then the Hummingbird and wireless tags in the middle. Then at the back of the box there is some of the specs over there and also what's in the box as well. Now you will need to open up the box from the side, which immediately reveals the headphones inside, a transparent plastic on it, where the earphones is nicely tucked inside. Now right underneath, you'll find a black paper sleeve cover with a Bliiq sticker inside, together with the quick start guide, safety and warranty information sheet. And then there's the silicone round and cone bi-flange ear tips, the USB-A to micro USB cable, and a nice little carrying case to store the earphones when on the go. Now there's three colors for you guys to choose from, and the color which I chose was red, as it had a very unique look to it. Then there's also black and white, hashtag white love as always. But as mentioned in my previous video reviews, when it comes to earphones or even headphones, as much as I absolutely love white, I tend not to choose it when it comes to those. Now starting with the build quality, it only weighed at 20 grams and it's really amazing how light they were, especially when I was using it during my cardio session or even working out, as I really barely felt it was on my ears. And as seen in the box, there are so many selection of the ear tips to find the perfect fit for an excellent sound quality, but it fitted in very well right out of the box into my ears. And of course, it has a very nice ergonomic design to properly fit within the outside of my ears as well. And the earphones are also sweat resistant, which is great since it is a professional workout earphones endorsed by many famous athletes, and Bliiq claims that the earphones are also water resistant with a nanotechnology coating to prevent damages. And based on my test, I did dip this in water and it worked out fine right after. And since I can't swim, I didn't try it in a pool. Yep, I can't swim. Now in terms of the ports and buttons, it's all within the inline controller, which is the nearest to the left earphones. First, there's the micro USB port to of course charge the earphones. Then there's three buttons, which is the volume rockers of plus and minus at the sides and the action button right in the middle. Now the reason why this is called the action button is because that this button can be used for other modes as well, which I'll let you guys know in a very short moment. Now first, to turn on the earphones, just press and hold the action button and then you'll hear a sound prompt within the earphones which lets you know that it's on. Now it's more of a swoosh sound instead of a voice command, so keep that in mind. Then to pair, while it's off, just press and hold the action button for about 2 seconds after it's on, and then you hear another sound prompt. And to turn it off, just do the same as turning it on. Now going back to the modes available, first is of course the music mode, where the action button is used as a play pause button. Then of course in that mode, holding the volume plus button goes to the next track and holding the minus button goes to the previous track. Next is the voice control mode. By pressing the action button 3 times, brings up Google Assistant for Android devices or Siri for iOS devices. And since you can receive and even make phone calls, you can use the same action button to answer and by pressing it twice to reject a call. Then there's also the ambient mode, which is very unique to the earphones, where you need to just press the action button twice instead, which will give you a very nice feature to amplify your outside surround sound, which makes it easy to have a conversation with someone without taking the earphones off in a workout environment, especially if you're asking for help to spot you during a workout set. Now let's talk about the sound. Firstly, the microphones for receiving or even making phone calls was great, so there's absolutely no complaints over there. However, if you guys are a hardcore audiophile like me, you will find the overall bass response for the song that I specifically tested for the earphones wasn't as impressive, as I started off listening to Michael Bublé's Georgia on my mind, where the vocal clarity was there, and since there's not much bass within the song, the overall sound was great. And then I switched to 311's Love Song, where the kick drums was not very noticeable, but the instruments and the vocals were great. And then I switched to Wolfgang Gardner's Excalibur, and here's where you'd notice the lack of bass within the earphones itself. So yes, if you guys are a true audiophile, these earphones may not excite you as much. However, what's great is that there was no latency or lag issues when I watched videos on these earphones, which was very much great. Now in the battery department, Bliiq tells us that the battery supports up to 14.5 hours of playtime, and based on my test, I got a comfortable 16 hours plus of continuous music playback, so that is also really good. And then there's also quick charge present within the earphones, so that is also a really good added factor. And with just 10 minutes of charge, you can power up the device for about 1 hour, which will help for you guys to focus on your workout, especially if you guys are in the gym, and not to worry about your battery life. Now yes, it is using micro USB instead of USB-C, but considering its price of the device, the absence of USB charging is to be expected, as it's currently going for only $68 without shipping. But please keep in mind there's different prices for different types of colors, where I'll put all the links down below. And of course, Bliiq has mentioned that they are giving the Bliiq Hummingbird earphones a lifetime warranty, which is great, as many other companies does not give that sort of warranty. Now in conclusion, the Bliiq Hummingbird earphones is a really good workout earphones with a great warranty coverage, great durability, and of course the super light comfort as well. However, as mentioned, it may not be suited for those of you who are really hardcore audiophiles out there, as there is a slight difference when it comes to really feeling the bass. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys think of these earphones. Would you guys get it? Do let me know at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to adamlobotv if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys very soon.